Hi, today we're going to be talking about multiple branches and how to manage your bot when you need to branch out. So we'll start by creating a new question, and we'll call this detained. We'll say that this is a yes/no, and we'll save it. So now, depending on whether somebody is detained or not, we want to say one thing or another. So we say a new question, and this new question is going to be a yes detained response. We say, oh, now when we make a statement in DocuBot, the entity type for that is called a no-op, which stands for no operation, meaning we don't expect the user to provide us any input, we just want to make a statement. So we say this is a no-op, and we want to conditionally ask this question if every condition is true and if detained equals yes. So we're only going to make this statement if each of the conditions here are true, if detained equals yes. So we save that, and now let's make another question here, and we'll call this no detained response. We'll say I'm glad. Let's get started. And again, we'll make this a no-op and conditional, and only ask it if detained equals no. Okay, so now we have this, but often what will happen is we'll want to ask the same question along both of these branches. So if we add a new question and say person name, we'll do an entity type of person name. We'll save this. Now we want to ask this in either of these cases, but as you can see, along this branch is the only place that we've been able to add that. So we've created this ability to copy a question. What that means is you'll be able to copy this question and any of the following questions. So if we have an additional question here, and we will make that a street address, and we hit save. Now we have two questions following, and both of these we want to be asked. So what happens is you can click this copy question, and we select the question to copy. If we select this question, it will select this question and all questions that follow it. So we'll do that, and then we need to select a new place to copy the person name question to. So we'll copy it to this question. Now, as you can see, we now have duplicates here, which can become quite frustrating if we are wanting to now make edits, because now we would have to make the edits twice. But this builder tool is smart enough to realize that these two questions are the same. So if we come in here and we say, instead of saying, what is the person's name who is having immigration trouble, we can say, what's. So a simple edit, and we save that. Now we're going to be asked, there are multiple matching questions. Would you like to apply these changes to all of them or only one? Note that conditions will not be applied to all. So we say apply to all, and now both of our person name questions have changed. So you're able to make as many branches and conditions as you want, and you're able to have these duplicate questions asked along both paths, and as you make edits, the builder will keep those edits in sync.